Okay, so we've got a couple things here we're going to do. So if we got volume of a cube is 8 meters cubed. Different ways we can do it. Luckily, this right here, you can find the cube root of that, which is 2. Or, you know that the formula for volume is length times width times height. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So there's the volume. That's how they got 8. So if we know that the volume is 8, and each side is 2 by 2, so we can find that pretty easy on the surface area. So the surface area of a cube has 6 sides. So we know each formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. So one side of the 6-sided shape is 4. Okay, and we know there's 6 sides to that shape. So 6 times 4 of this cube. So the surface area, when a volume of a cube is 8 meters, we know the surface area is 24 meters squared. Okay? Okay. So another one. We've got when a surface area of a cube is 150 meters squared. So we know again the 6 sides of that 150 meters squared. So we'll just do a little simple division here. 6 sides of the 150 total surface area is going to be 25, and so that's got to be broken down in length times width, which is 5 times 5. Okay, so we've got to find the volume of that shape when the cube is that much. Okay, so we know the formula for the volume is length times width times height. Well, we found out that the length and width is 5, so the length and width and height, they're all going to be the same because it is a cube. So it's 5 times 5 times 5. So the volume of that is going to be 125 meters squared. Okay, so we got a little bit different one here, okay? Surface area of a rectangular shape, okay? Rectangular prism. Okay, so we know the volume is 45 millimeters cubed. Well, they give us the height. They give us the width, they just don't give us the length here. So we're going to find out how much U is. Should be meters, millimeters right there. Okay, so simple equation: length times width times height. Volume equals length times width times height. So we got the total volume of this shape, 45. The length is 5, the width is 3, and we don't know the height. So it really doesn't matter on which one we say here. So, we've got a one-step equation. So, we're going to combine like terms. 5 times 3 is 15. 15u. So, 45 equals 15u. So, we've got to get our u by itself. So, we're going to divide each side by 15 here. Okay. So, 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times u is u. 45 divided by 15 is 3. So, we decided that u equals 3. Okay. So, we've got a surface area. Is a 3 by 3 by 5. Okay, so go ahead and identify our length and width times height. Okay, length is 3, width is 3, height is 5. So we've got our formula here. Surface area equals 2 length times width plus 2 times height times width plus 2 times length times height. So we're just going to substitute. 2 is 2, length is 3, width is 3, plus, bring your 2 down, height is 5, width is 3, plus, bring your 2 down, length is 3, height is 5. 2 times 3 times 3 is 18. 2 times 5 times 3 is 30. 2 times 3 times 5 is 30. Awesome. So add all those up, 78 millimeters. So the surface area is 78 millimeters squared when the volume of this rectangular prism is 45 millimeters squared. Okay, so let me know if you have any more questions.